Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Midaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to go about changing the encryptions for file sharing connections on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa searching bar ng ating computer, ay search mo lang dito yung control panel, and then click mo lang tong open. And then dito sa control panel, dito lang sa right side ay click mo lang tong arrow na to, and then select mo lang dito yung in category. And then next ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung network and internet. So i-click mo lang dito. And then dito sa network and internet, and then next step ay i-click mo lang tong network and sharing centers. So i-click lang ito. And then dito sa network and sharing centers, and then dito lang sa left side ay select mo lang dito yung change advanced sharing settings. Okay, so i-click mo lang dito. And then, pop up ito mga kaibigan ang kanyang advanced sharing settings. And the next step, scroll down. And then, makikita mo dito yung all network. So, i-click mo lang tong arrow na to. And then, scroll ulit. Makikita mo kaagad dito yung tinatawag na file sharing connections. Okay, so ang most recommended na file sharing connections ay ito yung 128-bit encryptions. Okay, so may dalawang option dito na pwede natin gawin. I-click mo tong arrow na to, and then meron dito 40- or 56-bit encryptions. Okay, so select ka lang dito, but the most recommended ito, pinakauna yung 128-bit encryptions. Kapag sinelect mo to, ay wala ka ng ibang gagawin dito na settings. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple talaga kung paano natin i-change ang encryptions for file sharing connections in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.